Good morning, respected principal, teachers, parents, and my dear friends. Today I am very happy to stand before you and speak on the occasion of Independence Day. Every year on 15th August, we celebrate Independence Day to remember the day when India became free from British rule in 1947. This day reminds us of the great sacrifices made by our freedom fighters. Brave leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Subhas Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh, Jawaharlal Nehru, and many others worked hard and fought for the freedom of our country. Because of their courage and dedication, we are living in a free and independent nation today. We must always respect and remember their contributions. India is a land of unity and diversity. People of different religions, languages, and cultures live together with love and respect. This makes our country strong and beautiful. As students, we can serve our nation by studying sincerely, respecting others, helping people in need, keeping our surroundings clean, and being honest and responsible citizens. On this special day, let us promise to work hard for the progress of our country and make India proud through our good actions. I am proud to be an Indian. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.